Mr. Anthony.
Mr. Anthony, don't be alarmed, but I must talk to you about your son. About Bruno, Mr. Anthony.
Yes, Mr. Haynes? My father isn't home tonight, Mr. Haynes. I was going to tell you that over the phone, but you made such a sudden decision, I wondered why.
Since you sent me the key to your house, I decided to use it, to make a little social call on your father. I thought he'd be interested to know he has a lunatic son.
Well then, am I to assume you have no intention of going ahead with our arrangement?
None whatsoever. I never had.
I see. Well then, you'll have no further use for my key.
Nor this. Look, Bruno, you're terribly sick. I don't know much about these things, but maybe there's somewhere you can go for some treatment. Not only for your own sake, but you can't keep causing more and more destruction to anyone you happen to meet.
I don't like to be double-crossed. I have a murder on my conscience. But it's not my murder, Mr. Haynes. It's yours. And since you're the one to profit by it, I think you should be the one to pay for it.
Well, I guess it's no use, Bruno. We have nothing more to discuss.